Hi, Skyview senior parents. I just got some questions about the senior recognition ad process, and so I figured I would just make a quick video to show you exactly what to do, how to create your ad, where to go, what to click, and so that your senior gets their picture in the yearbook. So this is totally optional. You don't have to do it, but it's a fun way to give a little shout out to your senior kids as they graduate and put a cute little picture of them in there as well. So the first thing you're going to do on the flyer that I sent out, which is what you're seeing on my screen, you're going to click the jostensAdService.com. So if I click there, it takes me to the Jostens website. It should say Skyview High School right at the top, and you can click Shop Collection. Jostens does a lot of different things for this school, and we just switched to using them for the yearbook this year. I've used them in the past at a previous school and really like their work. So we click Shop Collection, and then you're going to have some options here. We want to go Yearbook Recognition Ad. The word ad is kind of confusing because you're not advertising anything. You're more just buying some space in the yearbook for you to give recognition to your senior student. So you do have to create an account to sign in. So you can fill out your information here. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in real quick. And then you should see this screen right here. And so your first option is to select your layout. I just did 1/8 of a page so that they were all the same. Maybe next year we'll go to different sizes to choose from, but I want to keep it just simple this year. So you click here for your 1/8 of a page size. You can pick from one of the 9 templates on the screen for your student. So if you wanted a picture and a nice little message, you just wanted to submit a picture, you could pick this one. You decide what you want. If you don't want to submit a picture and you just want to write something to them, you can do that as well. So I'm going to pick just this first option here. And then right here, you're going to add your photo, and you're just giving them permission to use us to print it in the yearbook. So you hit OK, and then you can pick your picture. I'm just going to pick a random picture on my desktop. And then your picture uploads. So all you do is drag and drop it into the box. Make sure it's the way you want it. So if you need to move it up and down, left or right, we place that there. And then here you're going to type your name, your student's name, how you want it to be spelled. If you have a nickname for them, you can put it in parentheses. And then here you're going to type your message. So we are so proud of you. Love, Mom and Dad. And your message will have to fit in this box. So once you type, you've picked your layout. You can actually change the font here. So if you want to get real creative, you can change the size. So if you have a short message, you can make it bigger. If you have a bigger message, you can make that font smaller. We don't go smaller than 10 because then it's hard to read. You can also do spell check, so that we make sure things are spelled right. You can change the alignment if you want it centered like this, and then it will let you preview your ad. So if we click preview your ad here, if you need an example, so you're like, oh, I don't know what to write, we can go to this screen. It has examples from different yearbooks across the country and what other parents have written to their children. So there's some examples there, and that was just by clicking the ad example. And then we're going to click preview ad. So here's my preview. Just double check that you have done the spell check and have it written the way you want it. And then you're going to click buy your ad. So you can buy a cute little keepsake. This is optional. you can just click no thank you if you're not interested in that. And then this is information right here is going to be sent to me so I know who has placed an ad or recognition ad. So you write your student's name, and then you're able to pay for it right here. So it's $40 for the fourth of a page. You would click checkout and then fill out your information here. The next screen will take you to fill out your payment information, and you can finalize the order, and then I'm notified from there when the order is submitted, and then I can start putting these ads on a page for the students. They will be on their own page together with everybody else that submitted a senior recognition ad. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me through email or give me a call or give the school a call. There is also a Jostens hotline number on that flyer that I sent out right here down at the bottom, and you can call them direct anytime if you have questions as well. So hopefully that explained that process a little bit more. I know it's different than what you've done in the past, but hopefully it will be easier for both parties to do. You can do from your home and you don't have to bring pictures in and pay for it here. You can just do everything online, and then I can collect it off of the website that I use for the yearbook. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Hopefully that video was more helpful than the flyer that I sent out. Thanks.